lake's entrance, and we're staying at the Prime Tourist Park, which is actually adults only, so there's no kids, but it is pet friendly. So we've got Chino here, and we're going to have a look at some of the pet friendly things you can do in the lake's entrance. So the first thing we're doing is the entrance walk. All right, let's go check it out. Alright, so we're about to head off on the entrance walk. It's 5 kilometers return, grade 3, and you walk all the way down. There's some historic relics there, as well as the entrance, and apparently you can see seals there, so fingers crossed we get to see some. So this barge was built in 1895 and was in operation until 1938 and served the area with farm produce. So this is a winch they used to carry the concrete blocks onto rail trucks so that then they could put them at the entrance piers at the end here.
We just saw some seals and dolphins. That was awesome. So now we're going to grab some lunch and off to the boat tour. Okay, let's go.
The 3-hour Lonsdale Eco Cruise allows 1 dog per cruise, but needs to be pre-booked and the dog confirmed when booking.
on, sunny. Chino's ready. Alright, we're going to go and check out, there's a Foreshore Market just not far from here. So go and see what we can find, Chino.
So our next stop is actually not quite part of Lake's entrance itself. It's in a place called Paynesville, and it's called Raymond Island. You get the ferry across, and there you can ride these little bikes. I'm not sure if they're open today, but we're going to try and get on one of those little ride-on bikes, and you can go around and you can see the koalas in the trees. Now the wind has picked up something shocking, and we've even heard there's some grass fires around not too far from here, so we're going to be on our toes, but we'll see how we go. Alright, let's go. So this is normally where you hire those bikes are. You can just see them in the background there, but it's closed, so we're going to have to walk. That smoke from the fires has really blocked out the sun now. Jay, I can't even hold the camera still. Literally cannot see that sun anymore. It's going to work. Alright, so we're back in the car, out of the wind. According to my app, it's 40 knot winds, which is about 75 kilometers an hour winds. It's absolutely brutal. But we did see quite a few koalas in the trees, a few low ones. But gee, we are glad to get out of the wind. And you can see the bushfires or the grass fire, the smoke in the distance. That was quite amazing, darkening out the sun. Alright, so we're going to head back to the van now and maybe grab a coffee and then look forward to dinner. Back at the caravan park, we let Chino have a play in the doggy playground. Our next stop is the Brackenbush Unleashed Dog Park just outside of Lake's entrance. If you are towing your van, just be aware it's a narrow road leading into the park. Now we're off to Eastern Beach. So from November the 1st to 30th of April, dogs are not allowed to remain in this area, but they can go through and go to the outside of the sort of no dog area. But you're allowed to come through. Any other time, dogs are allowed. Alright, so that's a snapshot of Lake's entrance and some of the things you can do with your pooch. There's some really great spots you can see. But anyway, if you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.